SnipeGoat, baby. Welcome. Ah, another month now. Another month to go. Another week now. Another week to go. So let's tap right on in, you feel me? As we embark on the first day and first week of quarter 4 in 2025. What is Bitcoin doing? I got your answer right here. Full top-down analysis so you can understand the narrative of big money in the higher time frame to understand what price is doing and going to do based on what price did. Monthly time frame. We are in this bullish expansion. We're right here currently at the top of this bullish expansion. Swing to swing. Price then produced this bearish retracement here on the monthly time frame, and then price has been encountering this bullish expansion, producing this higher high and higher low, higher low, higher high, but price is still producing higher highs because price hasn't produced a swing point yet here on the monthly time frame. Now, granted, we can identify this as a tweezer top, most definitely could, but to determine what's going on here on this monthly time frame in this monthly price action, we scale down to the weekly to see just that. It's a more microscopic view of what's going on in that monthly time frame price action. So here we go. On the weekly time frame, from that higher low to current price action, where price has produced these higher highs on the monthly time frame, you can see in that monthly bullish expansion, price here on a weekly produced swing to swing, retrace, continuation, retrace, reversal. Now, if you follow me, you know that, I've been calling this since, price came up and pierced these equal highs. So again, order of operations. Same thing played out here. Or if the same thing played out here as price did here, we would have been producing higher highs and coming into new all-time highs. But bullish expansion followed by a ranging corrective price action, followed by, you know, consolidation. Some may call it a range, retracement, but bullish expansion followed by a ranging retracement, establishing equal highs and equal lows. We will want to see price come down, target the lows, reverse, targeting the highs, creating and producing another bullish expansion, establishing higher highs, establishing another swing. That is what you will want to see after price produce a bullish expansion and then a ranging retracement. Lows targeted, reversal targeting highs. What price produced here after this bullish expansion, we encountered this ranging retracement, but then price targeted the highs first, which signaled to us that price was going to reverse. and start targeting lows. As you can see, I called it out to the T. You know exactly what I said price was going to do based on what price had did or has done that I've seen. I knew to anticipate this sale move here. Now, to determine what price is doing here inside of this weekly time frame price action, scale down to the daily. Now, on the daily, we want to analyze and read the candles at these higher time frame levels that we have identified on the monthly and weekly to determine what price is going to do next. What is price doing here at these levels? So as we can see, price here on the daily time frame is bearish, establishing equal highs and targeting lows, equal lows, right? So as we can see, far left, we got this cluster of equal lows. As you can see, that produced price to give this bounce. Um, could be, you know, that a level that could induce buyers to come into the market just for price to push down and take them out. And then, of course, we got this set of equal lows here. And then, you know, the weekly equal lows. You know what I mean? So, as we can see, price has broken closed below the weekly level here on the daily time frame, then produced this retracement, and then this continuation. And now price is here, um, showing this corrective price action. And to determine what price is doing here inside of this daily time frame price action, we scale down to the 12 hour. Now, on the 12 hour, we see just more on a better microscopic view of what type of price action we are encountering structurally inside of that daily time frame. So here on the 12 hour, as you can see, price bump, this swing, retrace, coming up above those daily equal highs that was here, producing equal highs here, and giving this continuation, retesting that 12, that weekly, those weekly lows, right? Now price has produced this expansion here and started giving us this internal retracement, and now price is pushing down again, to encounter a continuation to the downside to target these equal daily lows here. We have these equal daily lows here, and then of course we have these four take profit levels from this 12-hour move here, from swing to swing, retrace, and now price is producing this continuation to the downside. As we can see, just reading price, reading the candles. What is price doing here at these levels? Just based on market structure and price action, impulsive and corrective. So, you know, we can scale into this price action here on a 12 hour, my handy dandy 90 minute. Tuesday retracement. So here on the 90-minute, inside of that 12-hour time frame price action, we can see bears move. Then we got this bullish retracement, right? And now price has, as you can see, has started producing bearish price action where we came down and started targeting these lows, came up, uh, gave us this price action here that broke and closed above the snipe zone and the equal lows here, but immediately reversed, giving us this manipulation here coming out of the weekend. This just occurred coming out of the weekend, and now price is in this bearish expansion, disrespecting and targeting these 90-minute equal lows. Now respecting these equal highs, producing these equal highs as price produce bearish price action continuously, as you can see. You know what I mean? So now we're just reading price action. Price is in this bearish expansion. Um, what you will be doing now is just waiting for price to retrace to give you another opportunity to get into a trade to ride the wave. But yeah, we're just reading price action at these levels to determine what price is going to do next. And as you can see, this is what the price is doing. Um, I'll go to the 4 hour for the 4 hour folks, just so you can see what price is doing on the 4 hour at these levels. Boom. You feel me? So, but yeah, baby, there you have it. You heard it here first. Nice full top down analysis. You know, full top down analysis to understand the higher time frame perspective, the higher time frame narrative of where price is going, and then you scale into that price action with that understanding and eat. You know what I mean? And eat. Once you know where price is going and able to understand, you know, how price moves, price action, impulsive and corrective. Understanding the two ways price moves, then you can, it puts you at a higher level to understand the direction of the market at all times. But you also have to understand that price or the market is inception, is a trend within a trend within a trend. And in that, price has phases. Phases is expansions and retracements, impulsive and corrective. Expansion, retracement, impulsive and corrective. That's it, and that's all. Price produces structure or creates structure, higher lows, higher highs in the uptrend, lower lows and lower highs in the downtrend. understanding market structure and trend with the understanding of price action, how price moves, what price does to produce its moves. Hey, you too can read the market like this. But yeah, man, I've been calling it out. I've been just letting y'all know what price is doing week in and week out. And I remember when price was here, and I told you this was a clear-cut signal that price was going to start reversing and targeting lows based on the price action that price had produced. And now here we are, broken and closed below these equal lows. And now we have these equal lows here at 98,200. And so coming into this week, we're looking for bearish price action. Bearish price action, baby. You heard it here first. SnipeGoat, the candle reading guru. Somebody go tell your favorite trader's favorite trader. I'm